Welcome to this quick video where I share my opinion on Planner 5D. By the way, the link to Planner 5D is in the description. Take advantage of it to try it for free or explore the current offers. So, what is Planner 5D? It's an online software that allows you to easily create home or apartment layouts in 2D and 3D with absolutely no technical skills required. Personally, I find the tool very intuitive. You can draw your rooms, add furniture, customize colors and textures, and instantly visualize everything in 3D. Honestly, for renovation projects, interior design, or just imagining a new layout, Planner 5D is more than enough. Again, the link is in the description if you want to try it out. It's free to start. What I also like is the very complete object library and the ability to get a realistic rendering without the hassle of complex software like SketchUp or AutoCAD. So if you're looking for a simple, fast, and effective tool to create your interior or exterior plans, Planner 5D is definitely one I recommend 100%. The link to check it out is right below in the description. I really encourage you to give it a try. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and see you soon for another review.